G'day everybody. Doing my first little overview of a knife in a very long time. It's been 7 months since I've ordered this knife. Some of you might have heard me whinging in some comments about waiting a long time. Well, I ordered this on the 22nd of the 7th, 2022, and I received it on the 28th of the 2nd, 2022, so it's pretty much 7 months. ESEE. It's been so long that I kind of forget most of the specs, but I don't think it tells you on here. But it does have a little bit of, on the box here, it's got a little bit of basic information for survival and outdoor sort of skills. It's reading maps and emergency sort of info on there, not too bad. Not that I've looked at it. That's the knife in the sheath. ESEE, this is the P, I believe that's the grey micarta handles. I'm not sure what else makes it the P, maybe the coating as well, don't know, but I believe it's 1095. It's got a nice little choil there with some jimping on top of it. A little bit aggressive, but not too bad. At least this one's nice and straight. Already checked that out. The spine isn't as sharp as you'd want it. Maybe it, I don't know, we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. It could be the coating that's on there that's rounded it off. But anyway, you might need to touch that up with a file or whatever you're going to use to put a 90-degree spine on there if you're going to use that as a dedicated striker for your ferro rod. Yeah, grey micarta handles, full tang obviously, with an exposed tang at the bottom there. Your little Tommy knocker and hammering duties. It's a lanyard hole. Micarta feels nice. It's all, I'm assuming that's CNC cut. It's all nice and rounded. However, it does feel like a very slab shaped knife. The handle feels quite slab shaped, and I don't know if it's from me working today, but it digs in just above the creases in my finger there, along here, kind of right in this little I don't know if that would be a swell, but yeah, right in that hump. It's just a definite hot spot. Like, haven't used it yet, I only got it today, but I'm just telling you how I feel it. However, I do construction work, so maybe I've tenderized my fingers a bit today with a lot of work, so we'll get back to it. It's got this anti-rust coating obviously, and I'll just check on here to see how much that was. So ESEE fixed blade survival knife, coyote sheath. It was $235 Australian from the knife shop in Queensland. It's got this clip. It's got a couple of positions that you can put the clip, but it won't go. The rivet holes doesn't line up this way, so you'll only be able to put it in the vertical sort of position. the other knife, it comes with the rivets and screws, obviously, for the clip. Comes with a couple of stickers and the plasticky business cardy thing with the little survival info on the back too. One of the other knives that I got was this Victorinox wooden handle, like carving sort of kitchen knife. Yep, carving knife. This one was $65 from the same shop, the Knife Shop Australia. This feels fantastic in the hand. It's not full tang, it's like 3/4 tang. Doesn't stick out the front there. Wooden handle. It's really nice and light, but it feels fantastic in the hand. That's a really nice, for me anyway, that's a really nice grippy handle. Couldn't tell you the blade length on this thing. What's it? Yeah, it just says carving knife. So if we know this one here is 6-inch, I don't know, I'd say that's probably an 8-inch blade. I already made a video, but I didn't get me mug in it, so anyway. They're both sharp. This one is extremely sharp. That is just tearing hair off. Not sure if you're gonna be able to see the hair that just took off. Look at that patch there. Look how much hair I've got in my arms. That's how much I haven't been playing knives. Okay. That one's exceptionally sharp. You can just tell by rubbing your thumb across there. This one still shaves, but it's got nothing on that one. This is probably like a 11° or something like that angle. What an awesome knife. Okay lads and ladyettes, see you later.